Hi everyone, I'm Meredith, Rankin Styles Managing Editor. Today I'm going to be testing out 3 different products that have made our facial hair removal list as a part of our Testing 10 series. I'll be looking for a product that is ideal for beginners, really easy to use, and one that won't take up much of my time. So up first I have the Tinkle Razor, and this comes in a multi-pack. You can get them on Amazon. And this is just a singular long blade that you can throw away after a few uses. And I'll be using this guy on my left cheek. Oh, it's sharp. All right, so I just tried this, just a little small patch on my left cheek. It was a little intimidating to use at first, just because the blade is a little bit sharp. But once I kind of got the hang of it, just like going down in this direction, the hair came off and it worked really well. So up next I have the Panasonic hair trimmer. This one is battery operated and it provides vibration. So you'll be able to get a closer shave hopefully. And it's a blade that is pretty similar to the last one where it's pretty long and skinny. I'll be testing this one on my right cheek. This is so gross. I actually really like it. It's very gentle. It was super easy to use. And it felt really smooth on my skin as opposed to the last one that I just used where it was more of a scraping and manual effect. This guy I kind of just glided across my cheek and it pretty much did the work for me. Lastly, I have the Hansen wax strips. And these are self-adhesive. There's no wax kit. They're actually just like the wax is in the strip for you to rub up and then place exactly where you need the facial hair removed. And I've never tried anything like this before, but it's infused with coconut oil and you can use it on your brows, face, and bikini line. Oh! That was much better. I tested it on 2 spots just because I wasn't exactly sure how to use them. I did one on my upper lip and then one on my cheek. I will say they were a little bit more difficult to use, especially if you're new to facial shaving, but it did get hair. Slightly painful, I will say that though. So after testing all 3 products, I've decided that my favorite is the Panasonic. I thought that this was very easy to use, especially for somebody like me who's a beginner, and I liked how it kind of did the work for me. It felt really smooth, and honestly I feel like I could do my whole face with this. And I love how it's like very lightweight and kind of travel friendly. Thank you so much for tuning in to our Testing 10, and we will see you next time.